Well, it's on the organ, missus, and I've got to play it. If I don't play Stormy Weather to get a crust, I'll be playing the harp in heaven.
There, now the kids are starting.
Dummy's driving that dog, Barney.
Oh, make it my headache.
And that grand. I love that song.
Oh, I'm fed up with it.
Oh, I'll tell you what's wrong with you then. You don't understand the classical music, my good woman.
Don't you call me a good woman?
Oh, you're telling me.
Look, someone's moving.
Yeah, come on, back to someone moving over at number 15.
Look a bit swanky, these people.
Yes, look at the lovely open work blankets coming out.
Why you don't drop that mangle, Mother?
Nice flower pot, that. Have you caught that flower pot? Look.
That ain't a flower pot.
He ain't half a lad, ain't he?
Yes, he's always the same, you know. Here, play us another tune, mate, will you? Go on.
Certainly, a proper caution, ain't I?
Yes, rather than it.
Because I like you know. Would you like another tune?
Yes,
right,
go
now,
on,
come
go on.
Can't you take that dog away, missus?
Have you going on to me?
Get out of it. Decent tune, this.
Yes, it's nice, I like it.
It's my old woman to go away from me.
You would.
Of course I would, and not bring her back to me.
Don't work, everything.
Take that dog away, missus. Somebody throw a brick at that dog. Well, I mean, that was a good shot, wasn't it? Nearly hit me on the conch. Missus, how much you got in the air?
Half a lemon and a lump of coal.
How much? Half a lemon and a lump of coal. Lump somebody's given twice.
3 times, Governor. I threw the brick.
Get out. Naughty young girl. Your Stormy Weather's right. It's bringing on my cough again.
What do you think? What do you expect? Stormy weather. You're always playing it.
Look at me boots. Water going in one side and out of the other.
So am I.
Listen.
Yeah.
What's she playing?
What's he playing?
Yes, what is it? Stormy Weather.
No.
Well, I'll be... Come
Let's
on.
turn it.
Come on. Now, you ought to be paralysed with your cornet. I should think he did. Cut out and a soldier's farewell.
Who's afraid of big bad wolf? Big bad wolf, big bad wolf. Who's afraid of big bad wolf? La 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 la. Who's afraid of big bad wolf? Big bad wolf, big bad wolf. Who's afraid of big bad wolf? La 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 la. Well, Steve. Yes, ma'am. Come and get your father's supper. Well, where's the jug?
Kid, how much longer are you going to be on this pitch here? I'm waiting to play my accordion.
Well, I've only been about half an hour. I've got to get a living, ain't I?
Yeah, so have I.
Here, I'll tell you what I'll do.
Well,
You play your accordion, I'll play my organ and get one of the kids to sing. Any of you kids know LAZYBONES?
I do.
Right you are then.
Lazy bones, sleeping in the sun. How you expect to get your day's work done? Never get your day's work done. Sleeping in the noonday sun.
Nice little voice, ain't you?
Lazy bones, sleeping in the shade. How do you expect to get your cornmeal made? Never get your cornmeal made. Sleeping in the evening shade.
All together.
When they don't keep praying, I bet you keep praying. The sun's burn all of the night.
Nice to hear them together, isn't it?
And when you go fishing, I bet you keep fishing. The same one rabbit or nine.
Let it go now.
Lazy bones, don't use the day. How do you expect to make a dime that way? Never make a dime that way. Never had a dime.
That's the stuff to give them. We'll give them Henry all and all. We don't care a BBC, do we, kids?
No!
Of course we don't. Let's have Valley of the Moon. Come on.
In the valley of the moon.
Fear not that stormy weather, missus. You'll bring the rain on again. You ought to know better at your time of life.
Time of life. I'm only 89.
Only 89.
Yes, I've got 8 children and 5 grandchildren.
8 children and 5 grandchildren? Well, that's 13, an unlucky number.
Yes, but don't forget, while there's life, there's hope.
You saucy old rascal. You're young and healthy, I bet.
I'm young and healthy,
But you were a goer when you were younger. I bet your life's got an open book.